There we go. What is going on, guys? My name is Jordan with Exotic Whips. If you're new to the channel, thank you very much for viewing. Smash the subscribe button if you don't mind. Real quick, we are doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. ECS tuning gift card for $100. So as soon as we hit 500 subs, we're picking any of the subscribers, new, old, it doesn't matter. We're picking one of you guys to win the $100 for ECS tuning as soon as we hit 500 subs. So smash the subscribe button so we can get there as quick as possible. And then we're gonna do another one at 1,000 subs. All right, so what are we doing today? I already had some stuff done to the car, the E36. If you're new to the channel, this is my E36 M3 that I'm doing as a project. So I've done a bunch of stuff. Check out the old videos if you haven't. Today we had some windshield repair done. This seal was lifting up, so I had planned on replacing the entire windshield, but since it's on jack stands, the company that I used isn't allowed to work on a car on jack stands. Didn't know that. But at the end of the day, it saved me like 200 bucks. He just put some epoxy in there, some special epoxy, because apparently you have to use the right stuff. So he put some of that in there. Was a really nice guy. I threw him a couple bucks and that should be good to go. So now, actually, what I think I'm gonna do is put in all the trim seal pieces and like little interior pieces that I have. I have a bunch of parts over there that I'm going to do. So I think I'm gonna do that today, but first, unboxing time. This is really cool. I can't wait to show you guys this. Give me 1 second. I wanna unbox this. I'm worried that you're gonna turn off. Why are you turning off? The picture's great. Are you gonna turn off these? Is it the battery? All right, so anyway, let's get into this unboxing because I'm stoked. I need to, all right. Any guesses what this is? It says glass, but I think that's just the only tape this seller had. And maybe UPS treats things a little more delicately when they think it's glass. Oh baby, I'm so excited. Yes, car parts, it's like Christmas, man. It's always like Christmas. Yes. Oh. Oh, baby. So excited for this. Just new oh, it just smells new. Yes. Oh. 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 Look at it. Dude, that's great. Look at that. So it is an M-Tech 2 steering wheel. Dude, look at that stitching. Stitching is just on point. Got built up steering wheel. It's not too big at all. It's not small by any means, but it is 370 millimeter, I believe. 370 or 375. Got that little M down there. You don't focus on that. No, don't focus on me, dog. Focus on that. Anyway, this is sick. I'm so stoked for this. So we're not gonna put this in today. God, I can't wait to put it in because let me show you the old wheel. If you don't know, this old wheel is nasty. There she is in all her glory. I mean, it's just, ugh. Now, we're gonna be doing it right now. So I'm not gonna put that into there. I just had to show you guys because I was way too stoked to unbox it. So I'm gonna put it back in the box. I'll be right back. All right, so got the wheel unboxed. Love that thing. I think I'm gonna start with the seals, the door seals. I got all new door seals for this thing. By the way, these guys, you know how much these things are? Each one of these, I got them for both sides. They're like 300 bucks, 350 a piece, I think. It's insane. Lawn care. I replaced this trunk seal a couple days ago, and one of my buddies, Brett over at msportparts.com, he told me I put actually where it connects, I put that up top, and he said it goes bottom center. So I figured it was center top or center bottom. Took a shot, I guess wrong. Anyway, I'm gonna fix that real quick. Oh, come on. Alright, got the trunk seal switched around. Again, shout out to Brett over at M Sport Parts for letting a brother know I was wrong. Anyway, moving on to this guy now. Door seal. I'm just gonna go through and work my way around. And I don't know if any of this is the proper way to do it. Don't take what I say as it is absolutely correct. I'm learning all this stuff as I go. So right here, this piece right here, it slides up into that. So when you seat it all the way, that should go all the way in there. And you just kind of want to tuck it back in there. Okay, so now that that's in there, I'm just gonna work my way around the door. Overall, it's all the way in there. Okay, so I just got word from the local E36 M3 Yoda. This is a piece that needs to be trimmed. So, what I'm going to do, when you shut it, you see where it goes right there. So I'm gonna trim it off to fit that little curvature right there. I hate trimming stuff. I swear I'm probably the only guy who failed scissors in school. Okay. Just like anything, just start with a little bit, take it off. You can always take more off, but you can't add it back. Ooh. Okay, so now if you see, tucked right up in there. So this is in, it's good, looks good, feels good, smells good, everything's good. Tucks up in there. All right, other side. Seems like the door's having a hard time closing. I wonder if that's normal with new seals. Oh, all right. New seals are in. It's really not hard, just make sure you get everything. I started up on this top corner right here and just kind of, you can't see it, but I just basically like wedged it in and got it as tight as possible, and then worked my way down, work my way across, and just make sure you get everything. You push multiple times because you're gonna think it's on and it's not, so push again. But then yeah, it all just lines up. Nice. New seals, all right, on to the next thing. I'm gonna put these guys on now. They are the kind of on the kick panel on the side, on the inside of the door. It's not the kick panel, by the way. All right, so this piece calls for, come on buddy. There we go. Ho ho, those are the clips for this inside panel. At least I hope they are. Now I get to put them all in one by one. Let's see if I can show you guys this. This piece right here, the carpet is going to tuck into that on this back side. So you're gonna wanna tuck the carpet into that before you actually put it in. At least, I think so. Alright, so we knocked out those, I think they're kick panel, no they're not kick, something else, door sill, I don't know. But, knocked those out, those just popped right into place, right over the seal that we just put in on both sides, so that is good. I think what I might do now is put these bad boys in. Yeah. So this is like Christmas. Oh, baby. So, they have this little slider right here. And there we go. Those are what go into the actual trim. There we go. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then you just take these little guys and slide them in there. So if you really want to do this properly, I'm sure you could measure these out. I don't know if to do that though. I wonder if I should have. Okay. Yeah. They are every 5 3/8 apart. Oh, it's good. All right. So it works a lot better when you measure. Other side. All right, so today, let's see, we got the door sills put in both sides, the door sill, and then the door trim on the bottom, and then the door seal, got that put on. Let's see what else I can tackle. I'm gonna go rummage through my parts department. I think for now that's gonna do it. I have to edit this. I have more work to catch up on. Hope that's focused. Man, that'd be bad if it wasn't. I got a lot done today. Anyway, I think that's where I'm gonna end this video. So don't forget guys, 500 subs, $100 gift card to one of you guys, random, doesn't matter if you just subbed, you've been a sub forever, I'm gonna pick one person. I'm going to do that by going down the subscriber list that I see on my back end. So if your settings are set to private and I can't see you, don't know what to say. Apologize, sorry. Unprivatize it, and then next giveaway you'll be good to go. So anyway, I'm gonna end this one right here. We got some good stuff done, got everything put in. I think it's looking good. I'm still getting the hang of this new camera setup too, so leave a comment, like, subscribe if you can, that really helps out. And let's get to 500 subs, guys. Cheers, see you next time.